Hi Thandi. Today we work on the letter C. The letter C can make two different sounds. The first sound it can make sounds like K, and in all of the words in the first column, the letter C makes the K sound, and it has been color-coded in color green. And then the second sound that the letter C can make makes the S sound, S. And in all of the words in the right-hand column, the letter C makes the S sound, and it is color-coded in red. Now let's go look at the words in the first column where the letter C makes the K sound. K, A, T, cat. K, R, car. K, A, P, cap. K, A, N, can. K, A, V, cave. K, A, P, cape. K, A, N, cane. K, ow, n, t, count. K, oy, n, coin. And then we will go to the second column where the letter C makes the S sound. S, k, l, circle. S, k, a, s, circus. S, n, t, scent. S, l, f, o, n, cell phone. R, I, s, rice. P, n, s, e, l, pencil. S, e, t, e, city. D, I, s, dice. I, s, ice. So the letter C makes two different sounds. It can sound like K for cat, and it can also sound like S for circle. The letter C makes two sounds, K